You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KWO35 in New York City. This transmitter serves the following counties, in Connecticut: Fairfield, The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm has been detected in Ulster County, or 107 miles north-northwest from New York City. Hazard: frequent cloud-to-ground lighting, 60-mile-an-hour sustained winds, 80-mile-an-hour gusts, and quarter-inch hail. Source: radar-indicated preparedness, precautionary measures, secure or move all loose objects inside, as these may become flying projectile missiles. Expect tree damage. Mobile homes may be damaged. This storm will be near New York City in about 30 minutes. Take cover now. Lighting is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Take cover now. Stay tuned for updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm has been detected in Ulster County, or 107 miles north-northwest from New York City. Hazard: frequent cloud-to-ground lighting, 60-mile-an-hour sustained winds, 80-mile-an-hour gusts, and quarter-inch hail. Source: radar-indicated preparedness. An extremely dangerous tornado was detected by radar over the New York City area. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source:
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit.
Nuclear power plant warning. I repeat, nuclear power plant warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. The Indian Point Energy Center, located in Buchanan, New York, has suffered a complete meltdown of all reactor cores. A nuclear disaster has been declared. Anyone within 150 miles of the plant are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately, as radioactive materials are in the air. Radiation causes sickness, followed by death. Close, lock, and seal all possible entrances to your home. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or alcohol damp towels. Do not delay, take action now. Failure to take action will result in certain death. Repeat, a nuclear power plant warning has been issued for anyone within 150 miles of the Indian Point Energy Center due to a complete meltdown of all reactor cores. Despite the plant permanently ceasing operations, radiation has still been released into the air and action must be taken now to ensure your survival. Take action now. If you do not, you will face certain death. Take action now.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. The radiation from the Indian Point Energy Center has cleared out of the area, and all residents may now leave their shelters at this time. The New York Police Department thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Emergency broadcasts will now be handed over to state and local officials and normal programming may now resume. I repeat, the radioactive material from the Indian Point Energy Center has cleared out, and you may leave your shelters at this time. Again, the New York Police Department thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.